Primary versus secondary sources, a key step to credible research. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving into a critical part of effective research, which is understanding the difference between primary and secondary sources. This knowledge will help you develop your critical reading skills and enable you to effectively cross-reference and verify information from different sources. Let's start with definitions. A primary source is a document, recording, or other evidence that provides first-hand accounts or original data. These sources are created at the time the events or conditions are studied. Examples include diaries, speeches, artworks, patents, original research papers, and legal documents. On the other hand, secondary sources are interpretations or analyses based on primary sources. They are one step removed from the original event or phenomenon under study. Examples include textbooks, reviews, and most news articles. Identifying whether a source is primary or secondary can seem tricky, but here's a simple trick. Ask yourself, is this source an original, first-hand account, or is it an interpretation or summary of something else? If it's the former, it's a primary source. If it's the latter, it's a secondary source. Remember, direct evidence or first-hand testimony equals primary source, while interpretations, analyses, or summaries of that evidence equal secondary sources. Both types of sources are crucial for comprehensive research. Primary sources provide raw data or first-hand accounts, offering a direct window into the past or into an event. Meanwhile, secondary sources offer interpretation, context, and analysis, helping you understand the significance and implications of the primary data. Cross-referencing and verifying information is an essential part of assessing the credibility of your sources. It involves checking the information from one source against other sources to confirm its accuracy. When you use a secondary source, look for references to primary sources. Then, if possible, go to those primary sources to verify the accuracy of the secondary source's interpretation. The same information corroborated by multiple credible sources can often be taken as more reliable. And that's a wrap. Remember, identifying primary and secondary sources is a vital skill in critical reading and research. It will empower you to assess the credibility of your sources and verify information, making your arguments and understanding more solid. Keep practicing this skill, and soon, it will become second nature. Happy researching!